Hello and welcome to Cantata Tips video number 1, where we'll demonstrate some of the useful Cantata features which you may not know about. In this video we'll use Cantata custom code injection to gather coverage data on an infinite loop. We'll start with some simple code which has an infinite loop in it. I've generated a test case already. The issue with infinite loops is the fact that you'll never get out of them, meaning you will not be able to gather coverage. Let's inject some custom code into our software under test using the Cantata custom code injection. So we'll inject an integer value of a equal to 1 just before this while loop. Next, we'll insert a second piece of code, an if statement, which checks to see if a is greater than 2. If it's not, it will increment a. If it is, it will jump out of the loop. Now, it is actually possible to see what our code looks like, our custom code, and we can edit, change, modify. All that is left now is for us to run and gather the coverage information. As you can see, it has passed and we've got full coverage. Thank you for taking your time and watching this video. I'm Paul Dunn from QA Systems.